This bike, man, come a long way. That's good. That's really good.
it, guys? Welcome to my XL185, and I have been saying it's a 1979 model, but guys, it's actually a 1978. I think that was actually the first year they brought out this bike. It is so old, but it is so much fun. It's a cool story how I actually found this bike. So my family and I used to live in Auckland, and I was going out and doing these photo shoots at this West Coast beach, and I would drive past this house every time, and these bikes always caught my eye. Up this driveway there was this bike and about 4 or 5 others, all super old, super dusty. You could tell they hadn't been ridden in a long time. And man, I love these bikes. And one day I was on Facebook scrolling through the marketplace, and I seen this bike pop up, and I knew straight away it was the same bike. Couldn't believe it. Messaged the dude, went out and saw him, offered him $500, took it home, and it's been a journey, man. Those bikes come from Auckland all the way to the far north of New Zealand, and it's been about 5 years now. For the most part, I haven't really had to do anything to it, but last summer I did give it a good thrashing. Was up in the dunes a lot and didn't really do too much to it, and most of the parts on this bike are original, so it definitely needed some attention. So a few months ago I stripped it back to a bare frame, sanded back the frame, high build primer, sanded it again, top coat. The color I use is also the original Honda red. I believe it's called Tahitian red, and the code for it is R23. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. Most of the parts on it are still original. I did replace the sprockets, new chain, new grips, new cables, new fork covers. Just a few things that really needed to be changed. But yeah, I don't really have too much more planned for it. Just want to have fun, create some content for you guys, and in the future I would love to do another build, something a little bit more modern. I do love my Honda bikes, so yeah, I don't know yet what I'm gonna do, but if you guys got any ideas, let me know. Yeah man, just trying to have some fun, share with you guys. I live in a really beautiful place. So like I said in my last video, yeah, there's so much I want to share with you guys. You know, I'm into surfing, I'm into fishing, love swimming, diving. Yeah, heaps of content coming. And don't worry guys, I'm still doing my photography stuff. I've been doing that for like 7 years now, and that won't stop. It's just I didn't want to niche down on photography. Yeah, I just want to share everything with you guys. Got some cool ideas planned, like I'd love to take this on a mission and incorporate my film photography with it. So bring my film camera along on the bike and just, yeah, do some like photo/bike videos. If you guys want to see that, let me know. But yeah, thank you so much guys. Thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't, please subscribe. Helps me a lot. Yeah, the support means a lot to me, and I'll keep the videos coming.